Okay, 2-minute video on how to use our quoting software. You can click on the upload button to download files. Multiple files at the same time is okay, or you can just directly drag in parts. So the files will upload, they will process, orientate, and give you a price. There's two processes currently available, that's FDM and SLA. As soon as the prices come up, you can start manipulating the parts. You can choose different materials. For example, we're in FDM at the moment. We can choose to go to ASA, or we can go to polycarbonate. If you actually want to change the color, you click on where the color is, and you can go and select something else. If you want to change the process, you could go to SLA. We could select ABS-like. As far as a quantity goes, you can just click the quantity and you'll see the price reducing as the quantity goes up accordingly in this area here. So you can see the quantity discounts that you'll get. If you're going to have an FDM print, you can actually change the resolution of the part to be a lower resolution to save money, or if you want a really high finish, you can change the resolution, make it less. You can see the price live updates to reflect the price of the resolution you select. You can also change the infill. You can have a 33% infill, for example, or you can have the part completely solid. If you change that setting, it will reprocess the price and the new price pops up. You can also, in FDM mode, choose a custom orientation for if any reason you actually really wanted to have the part set on this angle here, for example. You can do that rather than having automatic orientation, which is quite often the best. If you do want to know about any of the materials, you can just simply click on the question mark beside the part, and it'll tell you a bit about the material, and then you can even click on an example picture and it'll show you something that was been printed in that actual material that you're talking about. So for example, I clicked on polycarbonate. We can just see a quick video in this case of something that was printed in polycarbonate and its use. So it really helps for you to get an idea about what it's actually just going to look like. And you've got a little help button down here which it can take you through a whole lot of questions depending on what you're looking for. So there's actually a lot of useful information in this little help bot down the corner there, so I encourage you to use it if you get stuck. Once things are added to the cart, you can view your cart and it'll show you parts that you have in there. You can't change the quantities at this point because of the quantity discounts that they were given during your setup. You can just proceed to checkout. That's it. Simple. Thank you for watching.